Welcome to the Nural Sales app tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started.
Open the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, tap on the Competition tile. Now tap on the Market Info tab. Next, select the type of entry you want to report: scheme, branding, or product. Then, select the appropriate brand name and category. Tap on the Add Remarks button and write your message or observation. Upload any images that you want to share using the Image Upload option. Once all the details are filled in, tap on the Next button. Then click Confirm to add the entry to your list. You can repeat this process to add multiple entries. Once done, tap the Submit button to upload all market info data. A confirmation message will appear, confirming that your market info entries have been uploaded successfully. Let's now look at how to search and review previously submitted market info. From the main dashboard, tap on the Competition tile. This time, tap on the Search tab. From the drop-down, select Market Info. Here, you'll see a list of all previously submitted market information entries. You can also use the available filters such as brand, model, and date range to refine your search. After setting the filters, tap on the Search button. Filtered entries will appear below. You can click on the eye icon to view the uploaded images. That's how you can easily search and manage market info data using the Nural Sales app. That's it! You've now learned how to add and search market information using the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.